In this video, I'll guide you through how to add an admin team member in Klaviyo. Whether you're managing a growing business or just need some extra hands to handle your email marketing, adding administrative team members can streamline your workflow. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow to get your new admin set up in no time. First, start by navigating to the bottom left corner of your Klaviyo dashboard. Here, you'll find your organization or brand name. Click on it. This will open up a menu with several options for you to choose from. What you're looking for in this menu is the Settings option. Go ahead and click on Settings to proceed. Once you're in the Settings menu, your next move is to focus on the Users tab. This is where you can manage all the users associated with your Klaviyo account. By clicking on the Users tab, you'll be taken to the Users Management panel. It's a straightforward interface designed to help you easily oversee who has access to your account and what roles they hold. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the Users Management panel. You'll notice a blue button labeled Add User. Click on this button to begin the process of adding a new team member. This is where you'll input all the necessary information to grant access to your new admin. You'll see a form where you can enter the team member's details. The first thing you need to do is type in their exact email address. It's crucial to ensure this email address is correct, as it will be the one they use to log into Klaviyo. Double-check for any typos or errors to avoid any login issues later on. After entering the email address, the next step is to assign the appropriate role. You'll see a drop-down menu titled Role. Click on this drop-down, and from the available options, select Admin. This role will give your team member the necessary permissions to manage the account effectively, allowing them to handle tasks such as creating campaigns and managing account settings. Once you've filled in the email address and selected the admin role, you're ready to finalize the process. Simply click the Add User button, and your new admin team member will receive an invitation to join your Klaviyo account. They'll follow the instructions in the invitation email to complete their setup. And that's it! You've successfully added an admin team member to your Klaviyo account. Remember, managing user roles and access is a key part of maintaining a secure and efficient workflow, so it's great that you're taking these steps to build a strong team. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore Klaviyo's support resources or reach out to their customer service for more detailed guidance. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and guides. Happy marketing!